Okay, people, it's like I said yesterday, there's no fancy introduction. It's connective tissues. You only have 3 to look at, so I'm actually going to have you look at nervous tissue too, just because it's cool. You're not going to be tested on it, but you should look at it. This is areolar connective tissue. These purple dots are the fibroblast nuclei. Sorry, I can't get this to focus better. These dark pink, thick staining protein fibers are the collagen fibers. Come on. The thin, wispy ones are reticular fibers, and the darkly staining black ones are elastic fibers. Both of those are very thin, and so, yeah, they're connective tissue. Okay, this is adipose tissue, and if you look at it, it actually kind of looks to me like simple squamous epithelial tissue, and that's because adipocytes, the adipose doesn't really take up dye. And so let me see if I can make this a little darker. Whoa, that did not work. Foiled my plans. But since fat doesn't take up dye, you can just see this real thin plasma membrane. Oh. And the nucleus gets squashed to the side. Oh, that's pretty good. So you might look at that and say, oh, that's a simple squamous epithelial tissue, but it's not. This is adipose connective tissue, and those are adipocytes. These little dark pink spots are their nuclei all clustered to the side. There are fibroblasts in here too that are secreting some matrix that's very similar to areolar connective tissue. So that's the other stuff we got going on in here. But that's adipocytes and adipose tissue. And right here we have dense regular connective tissue. So you can see those collagen fibers are all very tightly packed in a parallel fashion. They're squashing those fibroblasts together. So those purple spots are the nuclei of the fibroblasts. You don't really have a nervous tissue lab, but nervous tissue is super cool. So I'm gonna tell the professor, she should give you a bonus nervous tissue question. What you're looking at here is a multipolar neuron. And, oh, come on. The pink stuff, I can't move my hand. The pink stuff are all the glial cells. Oh. The purple is the neuron. And, darn it all. So, yeah, you can see like the big cluster in the middle is the soma, and then you've got some dendrites leading onto there and an axon leading away. I wish that I could take my hand off the camera so I could move this pointer around, but alas, I cannot. You can look at Mastering AMP and look to see what neurons look like. And if you get a slide with, I don't know, a picture that looks like, snap that, I'll make sure that I mark on top of the picture something that's identifiable for your practical. But yes, welcome to Lab in a Living Room. See you soon.